So here, what you do is you just y goes to x square, a square. So this is okay lah. This is not that bad. X minus a. A. And then middle point is here. 0. Then this will be minus a square. Y equals x. So if you modulus it, it will be like that lah. This will be the original graph. This will be okay. So you want from 0 to 3a. Okay, so you just make sure you get the equation correctly lah. So this one will have y1 equals to x squared minus a squared, or the negative one. Okay, so it doesn't take long for you to know that this should be the negative one. So it's negative one. This one here is a positive one. Okay, so you want this equation here. You should start from 0 to a. You use the negative equation. Because 0 to a is below the negative one. It's a set face. This is a set face. If you expand this to a set face, so this is part of a set face. Then this is a smiley face. So this, yeah. You can actually check using a calculator. You draw the negative or positive one. You see which one matches the curve. That's about it. So this one will be negative x squared minus a squared dx plus a to 3a minus a squared dx. Okay, that's about it. Not very difficult. It's quite okay, I feel. I think it's easier than the previous one. It's just key in calculator should be fine. Yeah. There you go.